So now we're going to find the cabins. This spacious Aurea Grand Suite measures 37 square metres and has a separate bedroom, dressing area and bathroom. The spacious bedroom is an airy and relaxing space with a dressing table, view over the front of the ship and a flat screen TV. In addition, this suite has a generous walk-in wardrobe with plenty of hanging space and shelves. Beyond the dressing area is a generous sized bathroom with robes, plenty of storage and MSC signature toiletries. The shower cabin is extremely spacious and even has a bench seat. The large living area has a shelving unit, a large desk and huge flat screen TV, plus table and chairs and a large sofa. The balcony of this grand suite measures 4.5 square metres with a metal balustrade. Compared to the size of the cabin, the balcony is a little small and has a slightly restricted view over the side of the ship. Aurea guests benefit from a welcome bottle of Prosecco and chocolates. In the cabin there is also a coffee machine and pods that are replaced daily. For Aurea guests, the first items stocked in the minibar are provided free of charge. As an Aurea guest, you also have access to the top 19 exclusive Solarium area.